Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to place for all things tech. If you've ever found yourself struggling with long documents in Microsoft Word, today's tip is just for you. We're going to learn how to select all the text in a Word document without the hassle of dragging or scrolling. It's super simple, yet incredibly handy, especially when you're working with large files. So let's get started. First, let's open up your Microsoft Word document. As you can see, I have a document here filled with text. Now, imagine having to select all this by clicking and dragging your mouse. Sounds tedious, right? Instead, we'll use a quick keyboard shortcut that works no matter how big your document is. Ready? Simply press Ctrl plus A. That's right. Hold down the Ctrl key and then press A. And voila, all the text in a document is now selected. You can start editing, formatting, copying, or anything else you need to do with the entire text. And it's as simple as that. This keyboard shortcut is a great trick to save time and increase your productivity.